What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this episode of Home Built Workshop. For those of you that don't know, maybe you're new to the channel, my name's Jeff. This is my little workshop. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my shop. This episode today is a very special episode. Why is it special, you might ask? Well, today is the beginning of a brand new year. Welcome 2021. This is the first episode of the year, and really I want to keep this nice and short, but I want to say thank you to all of you guys for all of your support over the last several years. You guys are awesome. I could not be doing this without you guys, and I do want to truly say thank you for all of your support. And that could be in anything. That could be from watching the videos, hitting the thumbs up, joining in on the live streams, leaving comments, suggesting the videos, sharing things from the YouTube channel, Facebook page, whatever. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Man, what a wild ride 2020 was. Who could have ever predicted such a crazy year? Unfortunately, we're not quite out of the woods yet, but I got my fingers crossed. I know things are all going to work out. We had so many different things thrown at us. I hope that the beginning of this year does not follow suit with last year, because that can stay in the past. That's going to be one for the record books right there. But guys, I am so optimistic of 2021. I'm looking forward. I'm not looking at the past. I have a lot of things that I want to try to get done this year. Hopefully, the year will cooperate and we can move forward. But aside from that, I am very excited for the new year. For me, I don't set resolutions like a lot of people do. And if you set resolutions, that's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not knocking that at all. Just for me, it's not something that I do. I do tend to set goals. And if you haven't set your goals yet for 2021, you still have time. Make sure when you do write them down, it's been proven that writing them down increases your chances of sticking to those goals. So write them down on a piece of paper, keep it where it's visible to you at all times. It'll help you achieve your goals. The main point in this video is I want to say thank you to you guys. I want to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. Here's to 2021. Let's make this so much better than 2020. I want each and every one of you guys to achieve your goals this year. Make this the best year yet. Aside from whatever struggles still may be in the road in front of us, let's shove them aside and still make it an amazing year. I know we all can. I wish you guys the best. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to a lot of exciting stuff in 2021. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.